Hi there, it's me again, Jamaica Favorite. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Adobe XD. If you don't know what Adobe XD or this is your first time of hearing Adobe XD, it's actually a vector-based user experience design tool for web apps and mobile apps, developed and published by Adobe. So in this video I'll be showing you the ways you can get started on Adobe XD. It's a great software, and in my next video I'll be showing you how to code using HTML CSS based on what we'll be doing here using the Adobe XD. Please watch the video, leave a comment and hit the like button. Thanks so much. We're going to open the Adobe XD application right here on my desktop. You can see this will be the end result. So it is opened right now. You can see begin tutorial. So you can click there and this will pop up. You can read through all this and it will actually tell you how to use Adobe XD. But this is my version. In this video I'm going to show you my version of how you can use Adobe XD. At least all the little hints that they are not going to show you, I'm going to be showing them in my video. And this software is totally free, so you don't have to worry about like cracking it or whatever. It's a free software, so you can just download it. I'll leave the link in the description. So now let's start. We'll pick web 1920. This pops up. So we have the select, the rectangle, ellipse, line, the pen, the text, artboard, zoom, asset, layers. So with this you can actually create, these are what you'll be using to create your layout. Right here we have the properties. So right now I'm using the ellipse tool. Notice the way you drag it, it's not spherical. So you have to hold down shift to make it perfect, to make it the perfect sphere. Make it a perfect circle, you have to hold down shift. Now I'm duplicating it, holding down Alt. Select both using shift to select. Click on subtract. Clicking on it, gives you this shape. Now adding another ellipse. I'm also going to do the same thing. Subtract both. First of all, you have to highlight both of the objects you just created. Then click on subtract. I'm going to use the pencil. I don't want it to look like the Mac apple. So this is my own apple, so it's going to be like this. I'm using the pencil right now, selecting both of them, subtracting, give this another shape. As you can see, an abstract shape. So I'm going to give the fill. We have solid color, we have the linear gradient, we have the radial gradient. So I'm going to use the linear gradient. Give that this color, give the other end that color. Now while trying to make it small, you can see it doesn't fit. So you have to hold down shift. When you're trying to move something, trying to compress it, you have to hold down shift. And note, you must always drag it from the edge where I'm dragging it. So put that up there. Using the text, show me favorite, which is my name by the way. Zooming it, you can go here. You can see by the text properties panel, you can see the text is actually moving, counting. Using the rectangle tool to create a rectangular shape. Let me show you something. The assets panel, here you can store your character styles, or storing your character styles, or your color styles, or your symbol styles. Now I'm storing this character home. So if I want to use it, so if I want another character to be like the home, I'll just simply click on it. Watch. You can see it gains the character styles of the home property. One good thing about Adobe XD, whenever you are joining two content together, it gives you this purple line telling you, okay, they are straight, they are horizontal. Meanwhile, I'm holding down shift to duplicate. Adjusting it so it will look perfect. Bringing down the logo. Making sure the logo is perfect with the making sure the logo are perfect. It's perfect. Now select the nav, which is home, profile, contact, about me. This is where you go to change the font. So different fonts. My favorite font is Montserrat. That's what I'm going to be using. Change the width. I'm using regular. Then reduce the size, font size 32 pixel. Sorry, 33 pixel. I'm adjusting them. Giving it linear gradient as I did with the logo. just going to drag my pictures because I already have them in a folder, drag them and drop them on the shape I've already created, and voila, it's the shape automatically clips with the image automatically clips with the shape. Ta-da! Make that smaller, just it. So I'm making a rectangle shape again. So this picture is actually going to be like a slideshow. Each of the artboards are going to appear as a slideshow when I'm done. So I'm using the repeat grid. As you can see, you can just drag it once and it repeats everything. Increase the size of the middle. Looks perfect. To align your shape, if you click on align center, align top, it goes to the top. Grab, align middle, it goes to the middle. Align bottom, goes to the bottom. Align right, left, mid, center, and the right. So I'm just going to drag it back up where it ought to be and click on align center, increasing the box a little bit so that you can see it clearer. Now using the text to type in profile. Change the font size to extra bold and font size to 48 pixels. Create another rectangle shape. As you can see, this button here to make the edges spherical. Dragged in my image, listed there. Ta-da! Ta-da! Doesn't it look amazing so far? So we align to the center. the profile as an asset. Here we would go to the layer, the left bottom side. Click on it, it shows you everything, your objects, everything you've added in the artboard. It shows you there. Closing that up, click on text again. This time I'm going to be drawing a text box. Type in my name, date of birth, move it to the center. Reduce the font size. Duplicate. Remember, duplicating, you hold down your Alt, then you drag. We're also going to duplicate that. Change the text. Add in another rectangle. Change the full color. That. As you can see there, you have hex code. You can also use your hex code if you know them. And thanks for watching. By the way, I'm not done. If you thought I was done, I'm not done. This is not all. You still need to animate it. Animate it. Make sure it's placed in the middle. You could zoom, using the zoom, change it up there too. That's the ways of zooming. I'm going to drag in these pictures here. To the artboard. Now try to fit them where they're supposed to be. Group the logo. You create another artboard. You copy everything you've done on the previous artboard, the second artboard. You give it the feel you gave the first artboard. Now you change the picture because we want it to be a slideshow, so we have to change the picture. We're going to do the same thing here. Now click on the profile, the prototype. Click on the very first object, drag it to the second artboard. There's going to be a pop-up. It will allow you to start, transition, then click none, animation none. Do the same thing to the 3 artboards. You click on the play icon button to see what you've done so far. When you click this, it goes to the second artboard, to the third artboard, but it appears like an animation. So I hope you picked something from this video. At least you've learned the fundamental of Adobe XD. Thanks for watching, and please watch the next video. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to code along, how to do this using HTML and CSS. Thanks for watching. Please watch the next video, subscribe to my channel, and goodbye for now. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only